is our barn find slash yard find. It's abandoned on this piece of property, listed by a fellow real estate agent that I work with, and the sellers of the property just want it gone, so we're gonna make it gone.
The van was locked, so we had to break in.
Can I come in?
Let's take a peek. I couldn't get it open because the door was jammed.
All right, open this door. Unlock it.
Bus. There's a bed, counter, a built-in can opener, there's a kitchen with cupboards, lots of space.
All the tires were flat. Good thing we brought a little compressor.
Although it smells musty for 10 years, it ain't bad. But my plan is working like a freaking charm. We are like 3/4 of the way done. We're about to get this bad boy loaded and head home. It's all loaded up. Now for the trip back to Kalispell.
We got back to town and figured it was a good idea to hit the car wash and clean this thing up while we still have it on the trailer. This is a 1972 Dodge Tradesman camper van.